Today let us study about the electricity chapter. Electric current is expressed by the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. The direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current. A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. In an electric circuit, the direction of electric current is taken as opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons. Current through any cross section is given by I is equal to Q by T, where Q is the charge, T is the time, and I is the current. Coulomb is the SI unit of electric charge. 1 coulomb is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. SI unit of electric current is ampere. 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charges per second. Ampere is used to measure electric current in a circuit. Ammeter is the instrument used to measure electric current. Ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit. Coulomb is the name of the scientist who is born in France in the year 1736 and died in the year 1806. He discovered Coulomb's law. Whereas the ampere is also scientist name. He is a French scientist born in the year 1775 and died in the year 1836. Ampere is a physicist who founded and named the science of electrodynamics, now known as electromagnetism. You can observe circuit diagram in the given figure. Ammeter is connected in series with the battery, and ammeter another end of the battery is connected to the resistor, and another end of the resistor is connected to battery, whereas the voltmeter is connected in parallel to the resistor. We are going to measure potential difference between the end points of resistor, whereas the ammeter is always connected in series in the circuit. Let us study about the potential and potential difference. An electric potential is the amount of work needed to move a unit of charge in a circuit from a reference point. SI unit of potential is volt. Potential difference. The amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another in a electric circuit is called potential difference. SI unit of potential difference is also volt. In the mathematical form, potential difference can be written as I is equal to W by Q, where W is the work done, Q is the unit charge, I is the current. SI unit of electrical potential difference is volt, named after scientist Alessandro Volta. Volt. Potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the another. Voltmeter is used to measure potential difference, and it is connected in parallel in the circuit. Components of circuit diagram can be seen in the given table. Ohm's law. Potential difference across the ends of a metallic wire is directly proportional to the current provided, during which temperature remains constant. V and I ratios remains constant. Mathematical form of Ohm's law is V is equal to I into R. V is the potential difference, I is the current, and R is the resistance. George Simon Ohm is one of the German physicists who discovered the Ohm's law, and he given the relationship between V and I. Resistance. Resistance is a property of a conductor to resist the flow of charge through it. SI unit of resistance is ohm. Ohm. If the potential difference across the two ends of a conductor is 1 volt and the current through it is 1 ampere, then the resistance R of the conductor is 1 ohm. Variable resistance. Component used to regulate current without changing the voltage source is called variable resistance. Rheostat is used to change the resistance in the circuit. Resistance depends upon following factors. One is length of the conductor, area of cross section, and nature of the material. Resistance of conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor. Mathematical form can be seen in the diagram. Resistivity of a material is constant for a material. SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Metals and alloy have low resistivity and insulators have high resistivity. It varies with temperature. Resistance increases with the length of the conductor and decreases with the area of cross section. Resistor in series. Series connection of resistors can be seen in the circuit diagram. In the above circuit diagram, resistors are connected in series. The potential difference across the resistors is equal to the sum of potential difference across the individual resistors. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. From Ohm's law, we can write V is equal to I into R. Current through all the resistors are same. Therefore, we taken it as I, whereas the resistors are having different values. Therefore, R1, R2, R3, and current through each resistor is I. Therefore, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Therefore, resistance across the ends of a resistor is equal to the sum of individual resistance. Resistors in parallel. Resistors are connected as shown in the circuit diagram. Resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel and current through each resistor are different. I1, I2, I3 are the current through resistors R1, R2 and R3. Current I is equal to the sum of the separate currents through each branch of the combination. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. From Ohm's law, we can write I is equal to V by R. Therefore, V by R is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. If we simplify further, we get V get cancels. Remaining we get 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Resistance of a group of resistors joined in parallel is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. Heating effect of electric current. If the electric circuit is purely resistive configuration of resistors only connected to the battery, then the entire energy converted into heat energy. This is known as heating effect of electric current. For a current I, the amount of heat H produced in the time t is given by H is equal to V into I into T. If we write V is equal to I into R, the formula H is equal to R into T into I square. Based on the above equation, we can state Joule's law of heating. The law implies that heat produced in a resistor is directly proportional to the square of current for a given resistance, the resistance for a given current, and the time for which current flows through the resistor. Practical applications of heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current is used to produce light. Tungsten filament in the bulb has high melting point and very high resistance. The bulb are filled with inactive nitrogen and argon gases to prolong the life of filament. Small amount of electric energy is converted into light energy. Fuse used in electric circuit is works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. Fuse is connected in series with the device. Fuse wire is a alloy made up of aluminum, copper, iron and lead. When large amount of current flows through the wire, fuse wire melts, saves the other electric good. Fuse is enclosed in a cartridge of porcelain material. Electric power. The rate at which electric energy is consumed in a electric circuit is known as power. In mathematical form, P is equal to V into I. It will take other forms also. P is equal to I square into R and P is equal to V square by R. SI unit of electric power is watt. Watt is the power consumed by a device that carries 1 ampere of current when operated at a potential difference of 1 volt. 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. Unit of electric energy is watt hour. 1 watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. Commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour.